Copycat doesn't seem to be interested in reading right now, but I sure am, so let's do it. Let's click Google Chrome. I found this awesome article on CBC Kids News, and I'd like to use the purple puzzle piece to read. It's all loaded up, so I can just click and the toolbar appears. Now, the purple puzzle piece is an awesome tool that all students can use to help them become better readers. And it's really, really simple. We're going to take a look at 5 tools in the toolbar. Play, pause, stop, dictionary, and picture dictionary. It's going to read anything on my Chromebook or in the Google Chrome browser on my DDSB laptop. All I have to do is tell it where to start reading. I've got my cursor over top of the first word. I'm going to do a triple click. Notice how it selects the entire paragraph. It's going to start there. Click play.
Endangered animals are being born in a lab.
Notice I click pause. And you can see that the sentence is highlighted in yellow and the word that it's reading is highlighted in blue. So you can follow along with your eyes while you are listening with your ears. How awesome is that? If I click pause, it's going to keep reading.
How? Quinn Murphy. Story by Quinn Murphy, CBC Kids.
I click the square or the stop button and the highlighting goes away. Wow, super, super simple. Now, if I'm reading and I come across a word that I don't know, I can double click it. Click, click. And click the book on the toolbar. That's the dictionary. I'm also going to click the picture dictionary too, which is great for visual learners. So it gives me a definition. And the play button allows me to listen to that definition.
Habitats. Noun. The type of environment.
The picture shows me a little clip art representation. Watch what happens when I double click another word. It changes the definition. It changes the picture. Now, English is kind of a complicated language, and sometimes there's multiple definitions, so be sure to listen for the one that makes the most sense in the sentence that you're reading. Dictionary, picture dictionary. Pretty awesome tools. I'm going to click on a tab and I'm going to look at my Google Classroom. That's also on a website, and I can use the purple puzzle piece to read my assignments that my teachers give me. Triple click and play.
Let's get organized with Google Drive.
Pause, stop. Exactly the same way. If I'm in a Google Doc, this is really important. I can use the purple puzzle piece to read the work that I've done. So I can get it to read back my writing to make sure that I've done the best possible writing that I can do. A Google Doc is a little bit different. Wherever the cursor is flashing, that's where it's going to read. Sometimes if it doesn't read right away, that means that you need to refresh your browser. And that's just a great way to troubleshoot a problem that occasionally happens when you're doing things over the internet. Let's try it again.
My orange cat. I have an orange tabby cat.
Pause. Stop. It works the same way. I want you to use the purple puzzle piece to read an article or something online that really interests you. Or read your Google Classroom, or read some of your writing. I want you to do it right now.